First, in AudioShare, tap the mic icon to open the recorder. Record audio, then use the tool's trim and fade function to cut up the audio into 8 samples. Tip: when you're recording, you can load AUV3s into the signal path. In Noises, tap the plus icon next to the banks display and load in each sample from the AudioShare folder. Don't forget to name your bank. You can also add a photo and description. Once loaded, you can tune each individual sample. And now you can make noises to your heart's content.